In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QuickBooks account. If you're getting started with QuickBooks for the first time, the process is pretty simple and it only takes a few minutes to set everything up. QuickBooks Online is designed to help you manage accounting tasks like tracking income and expenses, organizing your business finances, and keeping everything in one place. So creating your account correctly from the start is important. Begin by going to the official QuickBooks Online website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to either start a 30-day free trial or purchase a subscription plan right away. Which option you choose depends on what you need. If you want to explore the platform first and get familiar with the features before committing, the free trial is a great option. If you already know which plan fits your business and you're ready to begin using it long-term, then you can go ahead and choose a paid subscription. After selecting your preferred option, QuickBooks will guide you into the account setup process. At this stage, you'll be asked to create an Intuit account. This is the account that QuickBooks uses for sign-in, so it's important to enter details that you can easily access later. You'll need to provide your email address and your phone number during this step. These will become part of your login credentials and can also be used for account verification and recovery if needed in the future. As you fill in your information, make sure everything is entered accurately. Using an email address you check regularly is a good idea, since important notifications and account-related updates may be sent there. The same goes for your phone number, especially if it's used for security verification. Taking an extra moment to confirm your details now can save time later if you ever need to sign back in or recover access to your account. Once your Intuit account is created, your QuickBooks account setup is essentially underway, and you'll be ready to move forward with using the platform. From there, you can continue with any additional setup prompts. QuickBooks gives you based on the plan or trial option you selected. That's all it takes to create a QuickBooks account. As long as you start on the official QuickBooks Online website, choose the option that works best for you, and set up your Intuit login information carefully, you'll be off to a smooth start.